What if I tell you that there is a Facebook niche beginners are using right now to grow their Facebook pages, increase their massive engagement, and also to make money without spending a dime? In this niche, you don't need experience, you don't need fancy software, you don't even need to pay for subscription, and all you need is your phone, Facebook, and the right strategy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the best niche for beginners, why it works so well, and exactly how you can start today. So if you are serious about growing on your Facebook, watch this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I post new videos, you will be the first person to see it. Before I reveal the niche, I will quickly show you why the right niche matters. Most beginners fail on Facebook because of these three things I will mention. Number one, posting randomly. Number two, copying from the big pages without strategy. Number three, don't understand what people really engage with. Facebook does not reward hard work. Facebook rewards relevance and engagement. One thing you need to understand is if your niche has emotional content, easy to create, and get comment and shares, Facebook will push it for free without running ads. And the niche that I want to show you checks all the boxes. The best Facebook niche for beginners is quote and relatable content niche. This niche includes life quotes, relationship quotes, hustle and success quotes, emotional and deep statements, faith, mindset, and real life experience. You may ask this question, why this niche? Is because people love to relate. If your post makes someone to say, this is me, I feel this, I love this, they will like, they will comment, and they will share. And Facebook loves this. And if this happens to your page, Facebook will start suggesting your page to people who doesn't follow you. And before you know, you start having massive views and massive followers. And I will ask, why this niche works so well? I will break it down. Facebook users scroll for connection, not for perfection. Relatable content triggers emotion, memories, and conversation. Number two, easy content creation. You don't need a camera, an editing skill, or a paid tool. You can create content using Facebook itself, free quote website, and even thought in your mind. Number three, massive audience. Everyone loves motivation, has relationship, want success, and also face life challenges. Number four, beginners friendly. No skill is needed, no experience is needed, and no money is needed. I will show you examples of viral content in this niche. Number one, text post. And one thing you need to understand in text post, you can get your text post from ChatGPT. You can go to your ChatGPT and ask for ideas and inspirational quotes. It will generate tons of quotes for you. Then you pick the ones you want and post. Number two, image post. And how do you get that? You can sign up to Canva, get a template, then copy your text from ChatGPT and paste it on that image, which is the template. Then you export and post. By doing that, you have changed your text post to an image post by you taking your text, posting it on the template, exporting it out. Then it has turned to an image post, and all you need to do is to create tons of it. Then you schedule your post, and at a particular time it starts dropping on your page. Put it at the back of your mind that when you are creating a post, ensures that someone must comment on it. You can ask questions such like, what one lesson life taught you in a hard way? When you post such content, you discover that people will start commenting because life has really dealt with some persons in a very hard way. So they will start posting. By that, engagement starts coming. People start sharing your post. And once that start happening on your page, Facebook loves it and they will start pushing your page. Now I will reveal how you can create this kind of niche. First thing first, choose a name. And how can you choose your name? Also go to ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Perplexity or Cloud AI. Tell the AI tool that you want to create a quote and a relatable content niche, that it should give you the numbers of names. And once you put it there, it will generate different kind of name Then the one that suits you, pick it, go to your Facebook, start creating your Facebook page. And it's so easy. And once you are done with that, keep posting content that are relatable to your niche. Don't go to another niche. Don't go to different niche and confuse the algorithm. Keep posting at your quote and relatable content niche. Be consistent. Be posting in the morning, be posting in the afternoon. You can be posting 3 times a day. You can be posting 4 times a day. You can be posting 5 times a day to ensure that your page goes viral. And another question, how can you push your content as a beginner? Number one, join groups that are related to your niche. Very important. Don't go and join football when you are doing another thing. Join 5, 6, 7, and you can any amount of group that are related to your content. Then start sharing your post there. When you share your post there, there's every tendency that a lot of them will allow your post to go through, or most of them will not allow your post to go through. Don't be discouraged. Just keep sharing those posts. Before you know, most admin will allow your post. Make sure that you join groups that are related to your post that have massive numbers of followers. Now, when you post and people engage, Facebook will push it more further. And one thing you need to understand is more comment, more reach. That is why in your caption, you need to ask questions, because when you ask questions in your caption, there is every tendency that people will react and answer those questions on your comment section. The more comments, the more reach, and the more reach, the more followers to your page. Your goal is not likes, your goal is comment and shares, because when your page experience comment and shared, Facebook loves it and they'll push your page further. The question might be asked again, how do I monetize this page later? Once your page grows, you can monetize it. And number one way you can monetize is affiliate marketing. Number two, selling of digital product. Number three, selling your own brands. Number four, driving traffic from YouTube, Instagram back to your Facebook. And the last but not the least, Facebook monetization, which is called content monetization. When you meet all the criteria, definitely they'll give you content monetization. As a beginner, is don't focus on the money, focus on the engagement and growth, because when you have these two, money will definitely come. Let's talk about common mistake beginner makes. Number one, posting randomly. Number two, copying content words for word. Number three, inconsistent posting. You post today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, you are not posting till 4-5 days before you post. With that, you can't grow. Number four, expecting result in 3 days. It's not done. If you are a beginner and you want a simple Facebook niche that actually works, no paid tools, no ads, just smart content. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I post new content, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.